Crafting with Cos, let's go.
Perfect.
Crafting with Cos, I'm Cos, and welcome back to Crafting with Cos if you're back. So in this project, I'm going to be showing how I achieved some cute holiday party decor using some basic Dollar Tree products. So I'm going to be showing how I upgraded this plain white mini Dollar Tree Christmas tree, as well as this Dollar Tree. It was like a plain bucket, and then I bedazzled it, and then it didn't come with a top already, so I found this. It was originally a dog bowl that I turned upside down, and I put some hardware on top of it using some hardware that I've used in some of my previous projects. So if you want to see how I did these upgraded Dollar Tree DIYs, then let's go ahead and go over the materials, and let's go ahead and let's get right started. So I got all these materials from the Dollar Tree except for the leftover spray paint that I've used in other projects. So I used recycled grocery bags to separate parts of the tree to get it prepped for the spray paint. So for this second DIY, I decided actually not to use the mirror pieces that are pictured in this clip, and everything is from the Dollar Tree except for some previous materials that I had used in other projects, like the beads, the glue, and some other rhinestone strips that I got as well. So you're going to continue the bedazzling process around the surface of the bucket, and I was going to use a glue gun, but I found that the E6000 glue was sufficient in this particular case. And I made this project previously in another DIY to go with the collection.